Hi, I'm Dan Lorenz, licensed physical therapist, licensed athletic trainer, and certified strength and conditioning specialist, and founder of the Aspire Foundation, the Athlete's Sports Performance, Injury Reduction, and Education Foundation. I started Aspire back in 2012 after years and years of frustration as a sports physical therapist and licensed athletic trainer of seeing young athletes come in to see me as a patient because they had an injury as a result of playing too much sports or an injury that was easily preventable. I ran into a mother about 3 years ago who confronted me, and she had asked me, Dan, how can I prevent my daughter from tearing her ACL? She had a teammate who had just gone through an ACL tear and saw the emotional and physical distress that this caused, both her and her family. And she said, I don't want that for my daughter, but I don't know where to turn. I don't know what to do. I don't know who to trust. The coaches say they're doing this stuff, but we're not quite sure if they're really doing it. This is what inspired me to get Aspire started. I have a tremendous passion for what I do. I'm very blessed to have a profession that I have put my every fiber in to helping kids and helping young athletes perform at their highest level and staying out of the operating room. The more kids that are playing sports these days, the overuse injuries are escalating. They continue to rise. Ever since Title IX was passed in the 70s, girls have played sports. Young female athletes are tearing their ACL at a rate of 2 to 8 times that of male athletes. Basketball, soccer, and lacrosse are 3 of the top sports where girls are tearing their ACLs. A recent study came out in the American Journal of Sports Medicine saying that boys ages 15 to 19 are the largest group of athletes that are increasing surgeries for Tommy John surgery in the elbow. Now there's a lot of reasons why these things are happening, but I'm here I started Aspire to do what we can to keep one child out of the operating room. Now this program provides education and prevention techniques for coaches and parents to implement as part of their training regimen or as something to do at home. Many kids can't afford fancy training. Many kids can't afford fitness professionals to train them on the side. Many teams can't afford to bring a qualified, skilled professional in to run practice and to help train these athletes to keep them away from people like me in either the operating room from an orthopedic surgeon or to see a physical therapist or athletic trainer for rehab. I'm speaking to the parents who want to help their kid, but they don't know what to do. I'm speaking to the coaches through the foundation who see the long view and want their young athletes on their team to have a long history of playing sports without injury, without having surgeries, but they don't know what to do. I'm hopefully going to try and reach those coaches that maybe know what they want to do, but they're not quite sure the direction. I'm also trying to reach those coaches that they're not certain if they're doing things the right way or how to make sure that they're teaching their kids to do the things the right way. I sincerely hope that these exercises are helpful. They are by no means an exhaustive list of all the things that you should or could do. Certainly these exercises will become easy as an athlete becomes more trained. They will need to have weights, they'll need to have medicine balls, but every athlete needs to start with these exercises. I'll give you an analogy. Every kid starts school in 1st grade. We don't start school in 5th grade. We start school in 1st grade because we have to build the foundation for the knowledge that you'll need for grades later in school. Unfortunately, many kids are jumping on and off boxes, are having weights put on or bars put on their backs or on their shoulders before they have that 1st grade foundation or that 1st grade level of strength. These exercises that we're providing through the Aspire Foundation are going to give athletes the foundational strength, the foundational 1st grade level things so they can prevent injury and enhance performance. These kids are playing so many sports these days, endless hours, and often they're focusing on one sport. It's this focus on these sports where these overuse injuries are happening. Kids start to grow. Those bones get longer, the muscles stretch with them. They don't have the strength to sustain the forces from A, the sport, and B, the growth. These exercises will give them a basic level of strength and fitness in an affordable way to minimize the risk of having an injury. Thanks so much for visiting our channel. We hope these exercises help you. Please feel free to reach out to me or reach out to us through the foundation website. Thank you.